Remember those days when you used to have to get down and dirty with your bucket of water, sponge, toothbrush, and a whole lot of elbow grease to clean your bathrooms and kitchens? Well, I got tired of that, and now I get to use an electric spin scrubber to do all the heavy lifting. This electric spin scrubber was gifted to me by Lirifine, and I've never been more excited to clean. The whole thing comes in this convenient carrying case, which even comes with a handle so you can pack everything and carry it from room to room. Inside, we have a quick start guide, which comes with colored pictures and step-by-step instructions on how to assemble and start using the brush. There's also a user manual that includes cleaning tips, common questions, and safety instructions. Now, let's take a closer look at what's inside the box. The set actually comes with an assortment of attachments to suit different types of cleaning surfaces. This is the round brush head, perfect for large bathtubs. The bristles are shaped into a dome so you can get into the rounded corners of the bathtub. We also have a soft sponge for cleaning more delicate surfaces. Then we have a flat round brush head, which I'll likely use for the shower floor and the tiles on the walls. Next, we have two scrub pads. These kind of remind me of the SOS scrub pads, which I think would be great to use for cleaning an oven or a grill. And looks like we have a second soft sponge which attaches like Velcro to this headpiece. And then we have a corner brush. I can see this being extremely useful to get into the grooves and corners and ledges of the countertops, sinks, and faucets. And to help us keep the scrub brush charged, we also have a USB cable. This is a USB-C cable, and once fully charged, it is supposed to work for up to 90 minutes. And let's go ahead and pull out the stick. Looks like it comes in two pieces that will need to be attached together. They're both pretty lightweight, but not flimsy at all. The second piece is the one with the power button. And look at that, I just pressed the power button and looks like it's already pre-charged. Let's go ahead and attach the second piece together. And then I'm going to go ahead and extend the stick. This is going to be really convenient to get those hard to reach places when cleaning the shower walls as well as to tackle the floors. It's pretty easy to slide the lever to extend and retract the stick and to disassemble and reassemble the stick. You just push the button below the power button. And if we turn the stick around, here's where you would plug the USB cable to charge the stick. Let's go ahead and test out the attachments. First, the dome-shaped brush. It fits very easily onto the tip of the stick, and there's actually two speeds you can set the brush for. One click gets you the low speed, and if you click again, it goes to the high speed for working through more stubborn stains and dirt. And pretty much the rest of the attachments attach to the stick the same way. There's absolutely no fuss and no tools required at all.